Welcome to Beginner Bits. In this video, we are going to see how to install Jupyter Notebook on your Windows or in MacBook. Let's dive right into it. First, what we need to do is install Python. Let's go to Chrome and search download Python, and from here download the latest version of Python for Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever the device you have. So it's downloaded. Now we are going to install it. It's really easy. Hit continue, and here read the license, everything, read, then continue and agree and install. So here enter the password you use to log in to your device and it will start installing. Okay, it's installed as you can see. Now let's see if it's really installed or not. Let's open terminal and let's check if this is installed or not. Python version. So as you can see, we have the latest version of Python installed. Now we need to install Jupyter Notebook from here. For that we are going to type pip3 install notebook. It will start downloading Jupyter Notebook on your device. It's started. Anyways, you can see some errors here. Don't worry, maybe you will not see the error, but because previously I have already installed Jupyter Notebook, that's why maybe I am seeing the errors. Let's see what happens if we run this. Type Jupyter Notebook. It should open Jupyter Notebook on your browser. There you go. Now let's create a new notebook here. If it runs or not, let's say print hello world. And if we run it, it's working. So it was that easy. I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one. Bye.